Why do we forget that we are the light being from the light world? It is estimated that more than 90% of all medical complaints are due to stress, tension, and also past life karmic impressions are the major factors in aggravating the following physical and emotional illnesses. Any physical pain like cancer, diabetes, heart issues, brain stroke, high BP, hyperacidity, migraine, ulcers, overeating, severe allergies, obesity, etc. can be healed and cured by yourself with the help of your own astral body and the divine light beings. Any emotional pain like depression, suppression, anxiety, addiction, negative thoughts, negative energies, anger, laziness, tension, stress, sleeplessness, etc. can be healed or cured permanently yourself. The moment we self-realize who we are and what are the great divine potentials we have towards self-healing, then we will never depend on doctor to cure us, as we can cure any illness of the root cause level permanently with the help of divine light beings and our own astral body. As we are the soul being and energy being and light being, why do we forget that our body is full of frequency and vibrations which consist of only light energy? Every 21 days our body cells are refreshing and getting rejuvenated as new cells. Then how come our illness stays back if we are made of only cells? Think about it. Everything is there in the mind, emotional body, and everything is coming from our past life karmic impressions. Let us change the mindset of dependency and start working on our best of health and live a healthy life till we are alive on this earth with the help of the most powerful and God-gifted medium and healer Mumtaz, waiting to help you to get a cure from any illness you are suffering as of now. Customer satisfaction and 100% guaranteed results, as it's a divine touch by spiritual light beings workshop. Once you do the workshop, you will live as though you don't have any bones and blood in the body but only light, and light energy. Divine body, get connected to Healing Heaven Global instantly to change and transform your life permanently, to live healthy always and forever.